changes in nature. These are pink flowers. These are colorful leaves. This is green grass. These are tall trees. These are brown pine cones. This is a lonely mushroom. This is a beautiful butterfly. This is a lucky ladybug. This is a hardworking bee. This is a spiky hedgehog. These are migrating birds. This is a slow snail. This is a big park. This is a puddle. This is a muddy puddle. This is the blue sky. This is a colorful rainbow. This is a peaceful beach. This is golden sand. This is a big shell. These are tiny pebbles. This is snow. These are little snowflakes. This is a happy snowman. This is heavy rain. These are tiny raindrops. Goodbye.